Hello, people, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I got back. The time is nearly 10. I got back maybe 20 minutes ago after leaving to work about 5 in the morning. No trades for me today. However, I swear to God, things are coming so well. I'm so proud of myself today. So once again, choppy bearish, same place as yesterday. Um, choppy bearish price action. We hold at these highs, 4 hour rejection block. Also got the hourly, so I mean you could probably enter off this hourly. This could be a stop if you wanted it to be. So you could probably enter off this, but not me personally. Probably, get wicked out or something like that. But okay. So that's the first open session. Okay, so open session candle, sorry. So choppy bearish. Let's cut to the chase, find some entries. What do we have on the higher time frame? We've got this nice wick here. I'm going to mark this out. Lovely point of interest. Already, what am I seeing? Blue VWAP is right near here. So let's keep an eye on here. We've got a lovely wick, which is in line here. So I'm going to scale down. If I see anything else, we've got some more wicks here, more alignment there. 5 minute. What else do we have? We still have this huge rejection point here. 3 minute. What else do we have? Not too much. And hopefully the 1 minute's got something to tell us. Got these rejection candles here. So what's this? Not too much going on here. We'll see what happens. Do we go higher? No, we dump. We keep dumping. Sorry. So what do we have here? So we've got this one here already. But what else do we have? What's on the 5 minute? Anything on the 5 minute? So we could be a little bit short. A little bit higher up. What about if we go up here? Yeah, no, okay, so down here. Okie dokie. So we've got this lovely rejection area right here. I like that a lot. So where's that between? That is 33. Can we get maybe a more precise entry? 33. We've got midnight open. We've got New York session. We've got all of these lovely things in line. So this could be our entry. Or inside this area, the 0.7 area of the fib. Let's see what VWAP does. Now, we have New York session open, midnight open, potentially VWAP, rejection block right here, tiny little stop. I'm saying like literally 10 points, targeting this area of liquidity here. Or you could maybe take partials here, full take profit up there, but this is what I'm seeing so far. So now, is there anything else? So we've obviously got these. Now, what does upset me is how close we get to being wicked in. So this was the most perfect set. We're gonna let it run. 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 Now look at this. You ready? So nearly there. Create a limit order. Now this. Look at this. VWAP, RB, New York session open, midnight open exactly. Okay. So this would be gorgeous. You could literally risk, I don't know, maybe, yeah, 10 units on this. Okay, maybe even more. You maybe get 13 in there, 12 to 13, because it is that. I mean, it's A plus plus. This could be brilliant. Now look at this. So here we come, here we come, here we come. This is, I mean, this is like gut wrenching. Trump tweets something, I think, in about now. Yeah, and look at that. Look at that. Now that was the most gorgeous flipping setup that anyone could have asked for as well. I mean, that is I mean, that's 1K in a matter of seconds. Matter of 15 seconds. That's how close we were. That's the only thing I saw, so I took it off. Obviously it didn't hit, but what a setup. What a setup. Now what else do we have? Do we have anything nice? What about up here? Do we have this height up here? What do we have? This nice area up here, nice. Starting the higher-ish time frames. So we've got 10-minute rejection area up here. Maybe enter off. 5-minute. Same, so that's 2. We don't have VWAP, so not too happy about that. That's a good area. If we come lower, where else could we enter from? I mean, you could enter off. What could we enter off? This rejection work here. I know it's small, but this 1-minute rejection work would do absolute bits. Maybe the 5-minute would explain a little bit more. Yeah, maybe there. That could probably be your entry from here to there. We'll keep an eye on both of these. I'm not going to enter right now because there's not enough confluences. It's just a rejection block and fib. I'd love to see VWAP and then more of these things put together. So, I mean, this is why I stopped looking to trade because there's just no volatility at all. We're just shopping. So I wouldn't take any of these, but if we were, then I mean, we've not even done anything. This is why I avoid CPI. Because what am I looking at? This is disgusting. And where are we? We're over here. Yeah, that's the video for now. I swear to God, I'm getting a payout this month. I'm coming for you. How many days do we have left? We have what? Nearly 4 weeks. We can get one. I know we can. 3 weeks. What the fuck? 1 week, 2 weeks. Just under 3 weeks. I'd have got 4 weeks on. We are coming for these payouts. Swear to God. I mean, look how little this volatility is, and holy catch. So the long would be here. Tiny 20-point stop if you were to take it. We haven't created a new high or low, so if you were to take it back up to these highs here. If you were to take this, but obviously market isn't open right now. We've got the hour closed. So if you were, it would be something like, I don't know. What do we have? Let's look before we enter, because we've got plenty of time to decide. So we've obviously got fib. The fib area is just around here. We've got VWAP, so that's 2. We've got rejection area on the not so much the 1-minute, but the see, this isn't clear enough for me. I mean, we do have some rejection wicks, but we're already quite deep into it. And I need to bring my stop a little higher, I think. I'm not too confident on stop that low, but for example, not too much risk, maybe 4 units, just to take it back up to maybe partials at New York Session Open. For example, like that, yeah. You buy here, and then obviously stop down there, take profit up there. That's what I would do. I'm not going to take it. Well, you know what? I'm going to take it, and then see what happens later. This is on my paper account, by the way. It's obviously not going to load because session isn't open. See what happens later. Let's see, it's not going to work. I don't know what I'm doing, so that means I've just put 8 contracts on there. Anyway, I'm going to go. I'm going to upload this, and I'm going to watch some YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. No one is watching these. I couldn't care less. This is for me, and this is for trying so hard and becoming profitable. Hold on a minute, we might have missed something here. This high till there, we didn't have VWAP, but what did we have? So Fibonacci almost perfectly. What did we have up here? We had these. Nice, yeah, I like this. If he came up here, this would again been a really nice entry up here. So we've got the 15, 10, 5, all aligned on this RB block. We had VWAP, we had inside fib level. It might have been too much in the premium in terms of that, but let's draw that out. Anything that's happening up here. Yeah, I mean, that's just gorgeous. Everything working nicely. Just gonna draw that back up and then that should line up nicely. Oops, flipping. Yeah. So keep an eye on this level tonight. If we don't break lower than this, which I don't think we will. Hopefully we don't. But yeah, that's a lovely, interesting area. I'll keep you updated. Thank you so much, guys.